Now, Bristol County is in the bullseye area of this storm and is expected to see some higher snow totals. NBC 10's Devin Bates continues our team coverage live in Fall River right now. Devin, how are things looking? Ooh.
Well, what better way to illustrate how fast the snow is starting to fall, even in these early stages of the storm, than to just look at how much I've accumulated here, standing out here for about 10 minutes. This is a serious storm already getting going here. Earlier today, we saw plenty of people at the supermarket stocking up. They're worried they may have to be stuck at home for quite some time.
My biggest concerns are probably mobility and power. The city has had issues with plowing, and I live on a dead-end street. So I don't expect to be getting out for at least a couple days after the storm.
Sonia Morin says Fall River can be a tough place to live when a snowstorm like this begins to bear down, and with Massachusetts leaders warning Bristol County is expected to be one of the hardest hit regions in the state, she isn't taking this one lightly.
Definitely make sure that we're stocked up on salts, that all the shovels are out. Our area seems to frequently lose power during storms, and with the winds especially, I can see us losing power anywhere from a few hours to several.
And before the worst of the storm arrives late Monday morning, state and local leaders are urging residents to make sure their cars are parked somewhere that won't interfere with snow removal operations.
I'm like parking in the street, so right now my car is like in the corner, so it's probably going to be buried again for the second time, because the last storm my car was like halfway buried, and now we have to like get my car out of there. And the streets, let's see how the streets are, because the streets from the last storm, Fall River, has been very icy.
Earlier on Sunday, MassDOT officials said the expected rate of snowfall, particularly during the Monday morning commute, will make it impossible for snowplows to keep up, and the cleanup will likely extend well into the coming week.
This is not one that we want to take lightly, and we want everyone to realize that they need to take this very seriously. It's for your own benefit. It's for the benefit of our employees and our emergency responders.
And again, this is still very early in the storm. The rate of snowfall and wind speeds only expected to increase. So although the roads in some areas may seem fine right now, it's going to get more dangerous as the night goes on into the morning. For now, reporting in Fall River, Devin Bates, NBC 10 Night Team.